Let's start frothing milk with your milk frother. Place the power base on a flat, level surface and plug the power cord into an outlet. Take out the silicone pad, frothing whisk, and frothing whisk holder. Then assemble them in order. Pour in an appropriate amount of milk, ensuring it does not exceed the maximum level. Next, place the milk jug onto the power base, making sure its exterior is clean and dry. Cover the lid. Press the power button to turn on the milk frother. When your desired mode is highlighted, stop pressing. The selected mode icon will flash for 3 times, and the frother will begin working. Once the frothing process is complete, the machine will stop automatically. For the best experience, pour the frothed milk into your coffee immediately. To turn off the machine, press and hold power button for 2 seconds. Now enjoy your drink.